Hey guys, welcome to MNMMPT NAATI YouTube channel. Today I want to discuss about few tips that one should definitely follow while practicing your essay writing for your PTE exam and while typing your essay in the exam as well. Because if you follow these tips, your essay writing will become a very easy task for you and it won't be as difficult as you might sometimes take it. Now, before I proceed with the explanation of those tips, all I want to share is if you are looking for any help with your PTE exam preparation or NAATI exam preparation, whether it is NAATI Hindi, Gujarati or Punjabi, you can always get in touch with us using Instagram or Facebook Messenger. All you need to do is you can search for our channel's name, which is M&MMPT NAATI. Now, whether it is a consultation, one-on-one consultation of 30 minutes, 1 hour or more, or whether it is crash course or full coaching regarding PTE or NAATI, you can ask us these questions on Instagram or Facebook Messenger. If you're only looking for preparation material, which is prediction file for your NAATI exam, whether it is again Hindi, Gujarati or Punjabi, you can inquire about that as well on Instagram or Facebook Messenger. But now let's get started with those tips that you should definitely keep in mind while writing your essay, while preparing for your essay. Now, we all know that essay will give you approximately 5 marks for your writing section and no other section is getting any score for your essay writing. The most important tip for a good essay is a good template. If you follow the template that we have shared, we can assure you that you will get a perfect score for your essay writing because we have personally used that template so many times in our exams that we give for getting good experience, and our students have also got their scores by using the template. It's there in the description below. I mean, the link for that template is there in the description below, and we will also put it in the comment section, the link for your template. Now, that one template you can use for any essay. You do not need to memorize several different types of template for every different type of essay. A few weeks ago, I also made a video which says one template for all essays. If you really want to understand how to use that template, you can also watch that video. We will put the link to that video in the description below as well. But yes, you can use one template for no matter what essay you get. Now, what is the process for memorizing the template and how should you put it in practice? Always focus on memorizing the introduction and conclusion first, because introduction and conclusion, not only it is very important, but it is very easy to memorize as well. Because in conclusion, you do not need to write anything, you just write down the template, and in introduction, all you're doing is you're writing template and a few places you're writing topic sentences. Topic sentences means the sentence from the essay title you get. You can select any one sentence, not a question, and you can write it wherever you see topic sentence in the essay introduction. So once introduction and conclusion is memorized, only then you should go to body 1 and body 2. Always type and memorize. Always type and memorize. Never write down the essay in your notebook and memorize, because in the exam you have to type your essay. So when you type and memorize the template, not only are you improvising your typing speed, but you will make very less or sometimes no errors, whether it is spelling error or grammatical error, while typing the same essay in the exam. So start with introduction and conclusion, which you can complete in one day. Then day 2, focus on body 1 only. Now, no matter what essay title you get, everything in this world has a negative side and has a positive side, right? Whenever you get an essay title, just take 1 minute to carve some idea. Always ask this question after reading the essay title. What is one bad thing about this thing? And write it down. That is your idea 1. That is your negative idea. And what is the good thing about that thing? That is your positive idea. So negative idea you will use in your body 1 to write down your body 1, and positive idea you will use in your body 2 to write down your body 2. And whenever you write down these ideas in your essay, the ideas need not be exceptional or extraordinary. They have to be very basic idea. For example, I always share that keep your ideas simple. Keep your examples in body 1 and body 2 simple. The more simple you keep, the easier for you it is to not make any mistakes and to get a very good score. So in PT, you don't get scores because you have written a very difficult idea. You get scores because you have not made any grammatical error, you have not made any spelling error, and you are within the word limit, which is 200 to 300 words. So if you follow the template, you will not struggle to write down approximately 275, 265 words, or sometimes 285, which is absolutely fine for getting a good score. And never think that if I write very difficult ideas, I'll get more marks. There is no such category for that. For example, let's say there is an essay on pollution. So what you can do is, what is one negative point that you can write down about pollution? And that is that it can lead to diseases like lung cancer, skin diseases, and so it's not good. Now, obviously, pollution will not have anything positive. There can be nothing positive regarding pollution. So in positive paragraph, you can write something you can do to control the pollution. For example, you can say, in order to control the pollution, you can write down that people should use public transportation and make less use of cars, and they can also plant trees in their backyards just so that you can increase some greenery and it will give them some fresh air. So these are the ideas you gave for the negative side of the story, which is pollution. So it's not that you always need to write down the positive of the title, but if you are not able to write down the positive of the title, see what is something related to that thing wherein you can write something positive. So one negative paragraph, one positive paragraph will give you a balanced essay, because introduction and conclusion is neutral, and body 1 and body 2, one negative paragraph, one positive paragraph, and your job is done. Just keep in mind that you type and practice the essays. Do not make grammatical errors. Prefer writing the essay in the past tense, and do not make spelling errors as well. And if you type and practice, you will not make errors in the exam. But if you write down the essay in the notebook and practice, and then you type in the exam, you will make a lot of errors. That's very normal. Now, in body 1 and body 2, when you write down examples, always prefer to write some numbers, as in some percentage data. For example, in body 1, if I'm writing that pollution, negative side of the story, pollution, I would write 75% people in this world face lung cancer and skin disease only because of the air pollution. Now, this example, this number need not be correct. They are not going to do any Google search and check whether you have written something right or wrong. No. If your English is correct, if your grammar is correct, if your spellings are correct, and whatever you have written is related to the essay title, you will get your score. So you do not need to stress yourself that you have to write something very, out of the box. No. Keep it simple, keep it straightforward. Use easy words apart from template. The template has enough difficult words so that you can get a very good score, and write down examples. Do not forget writing examples in body 1 and in body 2 as well. Apart from that, what you can also do is, let's say if you have booked a one-on-one consultation with us, right? Now, if you type an essay in front of us, it will eat up your 20-25 minutes of your consultation. So if you are booking one-on-one consultation with us and you want us to check your work and advise you whether what you have written is right or wrong, you can write 1 or 2 essays in advance before the consultation, and when we are having that one-on-one consultation with you, one-on-one time with you, you can send us your essay. We will tell you how to send it to us, and we can have a look at your essay and tell you if it is right, wrong, or what can be done to improve your writing score. So in that ways, we are not wasting that 1 hour of consultation time in typing the essay, but we are actually making the use of it by just giving you the feedback. So that would be a smart way of handling that 1 hour of one-on-one consultation as well. But with that, I would say that the most important thing for essay writing is to memorize the template by typing it. The template is with you. Use the same template for all the essays. Start with introduction, conclusion, then go to body 1 and then go to body 2. Keep your essay balanced, as in introduction, conclusion, neutral. There is no point of view you are sharing, but body 1, body 2, 1 paragraph is completely negative side of the story. one paragraph is completely positive side of the story with examples in both the paragraphs, and you will get a perfect score. But if you have any questions, you can always get in touch with us and get your doubts cleared. With that, I'll see you next time with some other content, and take care, practice well. Bye for now.